In this video we talk about the audio ducking in Filmora. So open your Filmora and then import your media file, right, and then click on the audio files and then click on download, and from here import and drag and drop your audio file, right. So I drag and drop this file, the external down I taught, right. So I drag and drop this audio file, then I click on this button to reset on the timeline, then trim it, right. Now I adjust it, now reset it, and from here in that area in which I have does not talk, right. So in this area we use the background volume, and in which part I talking, right, in which we use the low background audio, right. So for this purpose we trim all the parts. So first I trim it, and from here I also trim it one by one, right. So from here this purpose I choose this quick split mode, right, and then click right. Now I select that parts in which I talking, right. So select I all this part in which we talking. So I select all the parts, right. Now from here you see the option the audio ducking. So click on it and the audio ducking is applied. So I increase from here, increase the volume, and from here decrease the volume, right. First I delete this layer, right. Now you see correctly in which part which I does not speak, right, the volume is high, and in which part which I talking the volume is low, right. Now we apply the audio ducking on this parts, right, in which parts when I talking I selected all these parts, right. So I select all parts in which I talking. So select all the parts from here, right, and from here you see the audio ducking is disabled. So click on it and the audio ducking is enabled. So from here increase the audio ducking, right, and from here decrease, and the volume is increased. So I play it, first I remove it, now I play it. In this course we learn to Filmora 12, right. So open your media from your stock media. You can also download your audio from your audio, right. You also write your titles from your titles. You also apply transition from your transitions, and then you also apply the effects on your video, right. And in last you also use the stickers and the templates in your Filmora projects. So it is a simple method of how to use the audio ducking in Filmora 12.